Hello students, let's do question 3 of exercise 14.1. In this we are going to learn how to regroup the terms to find factor. So here we have been given 4 terms in this first part. So here we can see we cannot take any term common from all these 4. But if we make groups of these two, what is common here? Yes? Yes, we have x common here. Here were 2x. If we take 1x common, 1 is left. And this x we have taken, so y is left. So here from these two you can observe what is common. Yes, 8 is common with both. And whatever is this sign, इस sign को हम ऐसे ही यहाँ पे लगा देंगे. So we have taken 8 common. So what is left here? X. And from here also we have taken 8 common. So what is left? Y. So here you can see in both these two terms. What is common? Yes, this bracket portion is common in both. So we will take this common. If we take this x plus y common, so what is left here? X. And here what is left? Plus 8. So the other factor will be x plus 8. So by regrouping the term, we can find the factors. Now we come to next part. Here you have 15. You can factorize it by writing 3 into 5 xy minus, and for 6 you can write 2 into 3 into x plus 5y minus 2. By regrouping these two, what is common here? Yes, 5 is common. Sorry, 3 is common. 3 is common here and x is also common here. So by taking 3 and x, what is left here? 5y minus 2 is left here because here we have also taken common 3x and these two. So these two, nothing is common. When nothing is common, that means 1 is common. By writing this addition and 1, we can write 1 into 5 minus 2. So remember, when nothing is common, we can take 1 as common. So now you can see 5y minus 2, 5 minus 2 is common in both. So taking this out, we are left with 3x plus 1. So this common portion we have taken. So what is left here? 3x plus 1. Similarly, in third part, so in these two, what is common here? Yes, x is common. So we are left with a plus b. And these two, what is common here? Y. And minus sign is there. So again, remember the rule that I have told you earlier. If you are here, it is minus. अगर आप कॉमन लेंगे तो अंदर का जो साइन है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे माइनस है तो यहाँ पे अगर पहले से ही माइनस है तो वो प्लस हो जाएगा. अगर माइनस होता तो अगर प्लस होता तो माइनस हो जाता. जब भी यहाँ पे माइनस आप ब्रैकेट लगा देंगे अंदर का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. सो इंटरनल साइन विल चेंज. So after taking y common, what is left here? A and B. Now taking a plus b common from both sides. So what is left here? A and b, a plus b we have taken common. X minus y. So these are two factors. Now we move to next part. Here you can see if we orally we see if we are taking 15 common. But our फैक्टर विल नॉट बी इन सेम काइंड कि हमें ब्रैकेट में सेम नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे पी क्यू इकट्ठा है और यहाँ पे कहीं पे पी क्यू कॉमन नहीं निकल रहा. और इनमें भी अगर हम कॉमन लें तो पी क्यू इकट्ठा हमें नहीं मिलेगा. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी रीअरेंज द टर्म. इसके साथ हम इनमें से कोई भी टर्म ले सकते हैं अगर हम इन दोनों का प्लेस इंटरचेंज कर दें. सो 9q प्लस 15 प्लस 25p. नाउ वी कैन कंसिडर. सो 15 को क्या लिखेंगे? 3 इंटू 5 इंटू पी क्यू प्लस 9 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 इंटू 3 इंटू क्यू. अगेन फॉर 15 3 इंटू 5. फॉर 25 वी हैव 5 इंटू 5 इंटू पी. सो फ्रॉम दीज टू व्हाट इज कॉमन? क्यू एंड 3. सो आफ्टर टेकिंग कॉमन 3q in these two terms, what is left here? 5p plus 3. Now we come to next two. So what is common here? 5. Only 5 is common. So 5 we have taken. 3 plus 5p is left. So 5p plus 3 or 3 plus 5p, one and same thing. So by taking it common 5p plus 3. So what is left here? 3q plus 5. So these two में से इसको common ले लिया. So what is left here? 3q plus 5. So these two are the factors of this term. So you can have a screenshot if you want for this question. Now we move to next part. This is our last part. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So here in these two, what is common? Nothing is common. So we will take common 1. And in these two, what is common? Very obviously we can see x is common and y is common. So taking xy common, we are left with 7 minus z. So here there is difference between z minus 7 and 7 minus z. So we have to take one minus common so that z becomes plus and 7 becomes minus. So minus common लेंगे तो यहाँ पे minus आ जाएगा और इसका माइनस हम यहाँ से कॉमन लेंगे तो ये माइनस और z जो है प्लस. वही बात आ गई कि अगर माइनस कॉमन लेते हैं अंदर के साइन चेंज. ये हो गया माइनस और ये हो गया प्लस. सो इसको हम एक बारी दोबारा लिख लेते हैं. इट इज z minus 7. सो टेकिंग z minus 7 कॉमन, what is left here? 1 minus xy. So that's all for this question.